This is an innovation of its kind. It's the first in the market. It is just an issue that whereby we have been able to tokenize our products so that we can be able to bring convenience to the customers. Okay, we have been able, most of the time customers forget their cards. And now we have bring it easy, convenient to the customers by ensuring that the cards are easy that you can carry, you can be able to tap, convenience, you can be able to pay immediately to bring efficiency, and also that you can be able to use it anywhere else that you were able to do. Basically is that, the world is evolving and the customers are becoming more digital. If you look at our population, it is more digital, it's more young, and now with more digitals and all this, we have been able to do this in the phone and even in wearables, where we can be able to tap and see. And also is the first of its kind. Now, with our total population, what will be happening with our customers is that now that they'll be able to use it, wherever they go, whatever any payment solution that we have it, they will be able to use it. Most of the people used to feel that they have just been able to leave their card, they don't know where they are carrying 3 or 4 cards with themselves. This solution will be able to bring convenience to them. It will also be able to be bringing availability for them because they will be having using it. It will also be able to bring efficiency wherever they are. It's easy to do. It's tap. Today, the only thing that most of the customer cannot forget is their phone. And solution have to be in the phone. I'm so excited today that I will just be able to tap and pay, and I just leave. And as easy as that. And these solutions are everywhere. Whenever I walk next to my petrol station, tap and pay. To the food catering like this, tap and pay. I just leave. Because people never forget about their phone. So that convenience is what we have been able to bring.